All right, just got done working out. Listen, you have less than 1 week before 2024. I've been teaching and preaching to you all. You have time to get right financially before 2024. And here I am again saying you don't have a lot of time, but you have time to make some changes so that you don't have to take a lot of the burdens and financial issues you had in 2023 over into 2024. And I was telling some friends of mine and some associates, a lot of people think they need credit repair when they really need income repair. What I mean by that is a lot of people want to fix, quote unquote, fix their credit. They resort to various online hacks and gurus and things of that nature. And at the end of the day, they find themselves wasting time not getting the proper advice and guidance. Well, what I want to say is evaluate why you want to fix your credit. When that's an empty goal, sometimes you go about it and don't really focus and do what you need to do to get that done. It does not involve signing up with credit repair companies and doing the same thing over and over, month after month, getting the same result. That's not credit repair, that's a subscription. I have students that are credit repair organizations and also consumers that are looking to improve their credit for a purpose. Sometimes you have people that talk about dating with a purpose. I think you should have credit repair with a purpose. Whether you're trying to buy a home, a new car, you're trying to get military clearance to keep your job, to get a high security job, I would call that credit repair with a purpose. If you are trying to improve your credit with a purpose, then I suggest you do a few things. One, tap in to all of my social media. I'm not as active as I want to be. Social media is a great platform for me to provide you with value at no cost. But unfortunately, due to there being 24 hours in a day, time is very limited. So I don't get a chance to donate a lot of my time to educating you on social media. And so what you can do, you can go to my bio and actually schedule a one-on-one consultation. My bio and actually schedule a one-on-one consultation where I will really examine your personal situation and give you actionable items that you can do or hire my law firm to do to improve your situation. 2, you can sign up for Credit Mastery, which is a program designed to teach you what to do and why to do it based on legal principles. You'll never be taught to lie to anyone. You'll never be instructed to do anything unethical. And that's what's different about dealing with a lawyer. It's unethical to teach you to do anything wrong. And so you'll learn how to improve your credit and not take a lot of the debt that you have into 2024 by using some legal principles and strategies that are designed to help you as a consumer. Consumer laws are designed to help you, the consumer. But if you don't know how to implement them or know what they are, you can't use them. The society really profits from you not knowing a lot of this, but it also benefits society for you to be a productive consumer and to be able to do what you want to do financially. That's what I'm here for. Looking forward to helping you all to have a successful 2024, and basically I want to see you take advantage of the hacks and loopholes, which are all legal. We use that term, and a lot of the things that we call hacks and loopholes, at least when I say it, is utilizing the law to your benefit, because they used to say the best way to hide something from certain people is to put it in a book. And that's what I mean. I'm basically opening the book for you. I've opened the book for you and read it, and I'm just sharing it with you and showing you how to implement it. And I tell people all the time, a lot of things may be in a book and you may have instruction, but without the ability to actually implement that, it's not going to work. Also, you have to have someone with the skills to implement. If you show me how to fix a Mercedes-Benz in a book, that doesn't mean I'm going to be able to do it because I don't have the technical skill to do so. But I can learn to, or I can be efficient and have someone else do it. Anyway, let's tackle 2024. Talk to you soon.